Check it out, friends. We got a brand new product to give a quick test for up here at our cabin that we're building. This is going to help us check for combustible leaks. Now, we are running off of propane here at the cabin, and so it's really important for us to have some sort of tool, again, that we can monitor things up here. And this is just going to help us make sure that none of our appliances are leaking propane here into our living space. So let's get this thing out. Let's set it up. Let's give it a quick test. Now, inside the box, you're going to find a couple of things. We have our instruction manual, the user manual here. We've got two AAA batteries. Those are Duracell. It's nice to see. We got the main tester here, and then we have a little carrying sack that we can keep this in. So let's go ahead and install the batteries. There's a little twist-off compartment in the back, and we can feed our batteries back down in there. Now, one of the other things that's nice about this is you actually have a telescoping head that goes out, not too far, but enough where you can get a little extra length if you're getting close to an appliance and need to get maybe towards the back. Okay, so we're outside on our front deck because I'm going to power this on for the first time. And what it's going to do is it's going to calibrate. Now, I know there's no obviously combustible gas in this specific area. Again, we're outside, so this should calibrate easily to 0. Let's go ahead and push and hold this for 1 second. You can see our light comes on, and now it's counting down from 30 seconds to 0 to do the calibration. So let's let that fully count down. Okay, when the countdown was complete, there was a little beep. And as you can see, it defaulted to the highest sensitivity level, that S and then high. Our sensitivity button is down here. If I click this, you can see it can go to sensitivity low or again, sensitivity high just by doing that. I'm gonna keep it on high for now. Okay, so let's actually do a test. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this lighter and I'm just gonna hold it. You can kind of hear potentially that gas being released there. And what I'm gonna do is put this right in front of the sensor, and let's see if we can go ahead and get it into an alarm status to make sure it's working properly. And look at that. Almost immediately we had full sensor read. And as you can see, as the air gets nice and clean again, it will go back down to that 0% level. So over here in our utility closet, you can see we have our on-demand hot water heater. We have a gas line running up here. And again, this is a great way of testing for leaks. So I'm just gonna bring this over. I'm gonna put it next to our connections. And it looks like we are doing really, really well in this area. No alarms. So a handy little tool. I really, really like it. And this is going to be great up here in the cabin as we're installing new appliances like our propane stove, our propane refrigerator, just to make sure things are working well. So there you go, friends. That's a closer look at this specific tool. Definitely a thumbs up from us. I think it's going to be really, really handy. You can grab it for yourself right here on Amazon. If this has helped, hit that thumbs up button and then subscribe because we got a ton of these little tool review videos to make your life just a little bit easier. Thanks for watching, friends. We'll see you again on the next one.